Joey Heideman. I'm a division chief of logistics and support services, and I'm also our records management system administrator. Olathe Fire Department in Olathe, Kansas. I like the fact that we went through module by module and got to see what all the system can do. Coming from a previous records management system that we had had for multiple decades, it was a lot to take in, but I think Chucky and the rest of the team, Austin, did a great job making it understandable. It is a big task. I work a lot in the inventory module. The flexibility is probably both a blessing and a little bit of a challenge, right? Because you can do so much. Most fire departments have a lot of inventory, and we're one of those. So our inventory was really non-existent in our previous RMS. And so with this, we've undertaken the challenge to really invest the time necessary to make it resilient into the future for, generations, hopefully. That's what I tell other departments that come ask us what we're doing and what we're using is, it's almost like, actually we heard during onboarding, sometimes you'll submit something at the end of the day and you'll have an answer by the time you come back in the office in the morning because of where the support's located and just how responsive everything is, so.